Check out the 4-foot folding table from the HYMnature store, and in this video I'm going to go over a couple of my favorite features of this table and also show you how to fold it up when you're all ready to put it in storage or take it out of storage, hopefully help you out whenever you do receive your item. But overall this table is awesome. It's only like 20 pounds or maybe even less, so it's super easy to lift up, but it can hold over 350 pounds. So if you are worried about the table, being flimsy or whatever like that, this thing is heavy duty. Like I said, 350 pounds this can hold, which is super heavy for it being so small. Very, very heavy duty. And now for taking it apart, I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer. I'm gonna show you a couple tips. And one thing that's really cool about this table, it's kind of like a perk, and I'll make sure you know what that is. Okay, so now to get the legs off, it's super easy. All you do is slide this down, and they're fold in, literally, that's all it is. And this is what that perk is I was talking about. So, normally folding tables, they have little pins on these legs that are tough to get in and out. Literally these, all you gotta do, slide it out, and you're good to go. And like I showed you before, I was lifting it up and down. These do not fall off on you. So even though they don't have pins, they're gonna stick in there and stay in there. And all you gotta do is secure it in here and then do the same for all the legs throughout. Okay, and as you can see here, everything is stored nicely under the table and secured. And honestly, it takes less than 60 seconds to get this set back up whenever you are ready to use it again. But at this point, all we need to do now is close it up and it'll latch shut. You can see there's gonna be little hands here. Make sure your handle's up. Look at that, we are good to go. So it's only 20 pounds. You can carry it wherever you need to carry it, into storage or onto your next spot. So overall, super simple to use. I love how easy it is to take out and set up. So I'm super happy with this table. I give it 2 thumbs up.